6 weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast on this Friday evening. Beautiful blue skies. We've lost a lot of that Saharan dust, as you can see on our sky cam. Looking off to the north, the Harbor Bridge right smack dab in the middle of your picture there. And it's going to lead to a nice summer night here in South Texas. Temperatures still hot inland at triple-digit levels, 97 in Orange Grove to 87 in Port Aransas. Seawater temperature at Packery Channel is now up to 89 degrees. That's a function of the lighter winds. Stronger winds, you have upwelling taking place, tends to make the water cooler as the cooler water comes up from the depths of the ocean. But with the lighter winds today, our temperature went up 1.5 degrees from yesterday. Dew point temperatures are reasonable. We don't have anybody with an 80-degree reading, so that's nice. And that's where we're headed tonight, at about 76 degrees. The weather pattern shows those skies are clear. We have that warm, humid flow continuing into low pressure, which is rather weak up in North Texas, so we're only getting a moderate wind. But that's going to move off, so our winds will relax a little bit here overnight and tomorrow, a little bit further than they did today. And then this low will wind up and interact with this high pressure system at the surface, and that will create some pretty big winds here by the time we get to Sunday and into Monday. That's ahead of this front. As this front moves into north and central Texas early next week, our pressure gradient will relax, our winds will come down, our instability will go up, and we'll see a little bit of rain, but not much in the area, as high pressure and the influence of it will still be at least nearby. The storminess is all with this area low pressure that continues to slowly move into parts of New England. That's where they're seeing more rain and along the mid-Atlantic seaboard. Temperatures there have cooled off to around 80 degrees because of it, with the heat continuing all the way up into Montana, but it's not extraordinary like it was a few weeks ago. It's pretty much normal. Even out to the west, triple-digit temperatures, but not bad for this time of the year. Hot and windy over the weekend, primarily on Sunday. We'll see the bigger winds as high pressure will continue to dominate in the upper atmosphere. And then early next week, that front that's up in the northern plains will be all the way down to around the capital city of Austin. That means less wind for Tuesday and Wednesday and a few showers for us. But the lion's share of the rain in green will stay up to the north here. Again, it'll touch off a couple showers in the area here on Wednesday, but not many. That is unfortunate. It's very dry here in the city now and along much of the coastal areas of the coastal bend that didn't see that rain last week, unless you were in Annabelle or Calallen and then back to the west. Future tracker showing nothing like that happening this weekend. Bone dry and blazing hot the entire weekend and into Monday of next week. The future tracker on long range, this is a GFS model, and it does show some rain coming in from the north, but primarily near that front. It's just not going to get far enough south to give us a big rainfall. That'll have to wait till the following weekend. So the winds, they'll be light in the morning for all mariners. Tomorrow afternoon, a light breeze that will continue into tomorrow night, but the winds do pick up here on Sunday, and it'll get on the windy side late in the day. So Ernesto, no problem in the North Atlantic, and our wave down here in the Western Atlantic is fizzling out, now encountering some unfavorable conditions with those strong upper-level winds. That's called wind shear. All right, your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 76 tonight, 96 tomorrow. More winds, so we'll bring it down to 95 Sunday, back up to 96 here on Monday. Light winds means 98 here on Tuesday and Wednesday. Oh boy.